Is it behaviors or biochemistry? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. Americans are obsessed with trying to micromanage their health with complicated dietary supplements. But if you go back over the last 50 years, it is crystal clear that there are a handful of health habits that account for the vast majority of health during our lifetime. What are those handful? Otherwise known as sleep, stress and love, feet, fingers, and forks. Feet is, are you physically active? And that does include strength training. Fingers is, do you limit your exposure to toxins? In my lifetime, the two big ones have been alcohol and tobacco. Forks is, are you eating sensibly? And of course, our diet makes a massive difference in our health. And then it's sleep, stress, and love. Sleep is not, are you sleeping, but do you get enough high quality sleep? Stress is not, are you stressed, but are you actively managing stress? And love is, do you have people who you love and they love you back in your life? Focus on these fundamentals and you'll live a longer, healthier, more fulfilling life.